Hey garden nerds, it's change of pace day. Ordinarily, we give you these weekly educational videos, but today I wanted to bring you up to speed on something happening at Gardenerd. I've been delighted to hear from a number of fans and people who are excited about the arrival of Bolting to Seed, my new novel that is the sequel to Garden Variety, which was my debut novel set in a community garden in Los Angeles. And we are starting to promote this on March 10th, so take a look at this trailer.
911, what is your emergency?
Yeah, I think there's a dead body at Vistamar Gardens.
Hi there, my name is Christy Wilhelmi, and I'm the author of informative gardening books, including High Yield, Small Space Organic Gardening, and Grow Your Own Mini Fruit Garden. I also authored my debut novel, Garden Variety. Now, I'm super excited to share the Kickstarter campaign for my upcoming cozy mystery novel, Bolting to Seed. Bolting to Seed follows the lives of Lizzie and a diverse group of urban farmers at Vistamar Gardens, which is an organic community garden in Los Angeles that is turned upside down when someone discovers a body in the tool shed. So Lizzie has to help solve the mystery, or her urban oasis and probably her marriage will wither to dust. Lovers of cozy mysteries like this will find this book charming, and I wove gardening lessons throughout the story, so you'll learn about growing food and flowers as you solve the mystery. And if you are a reader of Garden Variety, you will love this return to the scene of the crime, so to speak. It continues the story of Lizzie, Jared, Mary, Ned, and the rest of the gardeners at Vistamar. So there's so many questions. Will Lizzie go childless by choice? Will Ned and Mary give up board control? Or is there something deeper taking hold that is beyond their control? The book is complete. It's written, it's ready for press, and now it just needs your support to bring it to life. I'm including several rewards that are exclusive to this Kickstarter as a thank you for supporting the campaign. Every softcover in this Kickstarter will be signed by me and includes a bookmark, a book plate, and an invitation to our digital launch party. And higher tiers also include rewards like special themed seed packets of scarlet kale, which is something Lizzie would definitely be growing in her plot, or a zippered tote bag, a garden Zoom consultation with me, and even a chance for you, yes you, to have a cameo in my next novel. So scroll down and check out everything that's offered in this campaign and read a snippet of the first chapter. Whether you just found us by scrolling on Kickstarter or you've been a fan of my other books or Gardenerd, I want to thank you so very much. I can't wait to get this book into your hands and maybe even unlock some awesome stretch goals along the way. Whether you decide to support the Kickstarter campaign or not, I hope you'll look in your local bookstore for Bolting to Seed, or you can order it from gardenerd.com once the Kickstarter campaign is complete. Thanks a lot and happy gardening.